Yeah, hi guys. So in this video we're gonna be drawing shapes, and yeah. So what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be moving all the drawing stuff into a different class because it's actually good practice to put related stuff in one class. So everything. So this class is basically related to launching the program and creating the display. So the new class we're gonna create, I'm gonna call it the game runner or something. I don't know. Game manager. Yeah, game manager. I'm gonna call it the game manager. It's going to be managing the updating and the drawing of the game. Correct. Game manager. Now, yeah. So, what is a game manager? Oh, we're going to need a graphics context to draw on. Graphics context for GC. I'll need to know the width of the game and the height of the game. Width, height, and width. I need to know the width of the height of the game, and then create a constructor. NetBeans actually does this for you. So what I just did is I took in a graphics context object, and then I set this graphics context object to this one, and then the width, that width to this width, this height to that height. So yeah. And then I'm gonna have two methods. We're updating three methods actually, three main methods. Not main methods, just three methods which are really, I don't know, which makes this class functional. So I'm gonna call it an init method, initialize method. So it's just gonna initialize our stuff. Public. Now this one needs to be private. Void tick. This is basically the ticks and the updatings and stuff, and then I'm gonna create a render method. Void render. And then we're also gonna have a run method. Public void run. So today I just said we're just gonna be drawing shapes. I just did this just get it off the head right now, to get it off my plate. So yeah. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna say I'm gonna create a start method, public void start. Then for now we're just gonna call run, just gonna call tick and render. Tick is basically updating. And run, we're gonna call init. We're gonna initialize and tick and then render. So I'm gonna call this in the run method. Yeah. Now let me just go and add all of this stuff. So I'm gonna say game manager. Just make sure that we're not gonna leave anything out. Game manager equals to new game manager. PC with height. Yep. Yes, sir. And then I'm just gonna say manager to start. And yeah, so what we're gonna do is just gonna go to gc.fill rect position 0, 0x, 0y, width and the height. Oh, we need to set the color first. gc set paint. Set paint. Oh, set fill. To color. See the paint and then color the aqua. just want to check if everything's working as it's supposed to, and yeah, it is working. So what I'm going to be doing now is I'm going to be drawing shapes. So the basic shapes we're going to be using is going to be using rectangles, round rectangles, and ellipse. No, ovals, ovals, yeah. So the first thing to draw a rectangle, I need to specify the position. So I'm going to go with, do you see that? Draw, no, not draw, fill rectangle, so yeah. Then I need to specify 0, position, not 0, 0, let me give it a different position. Right, let's randomize it to 4, 7, 8, and then 3, 4, 5. And then I'm going to give it a width of 50 and a height of 10. Then we're going to set the color to black. You see that set. Fill to color black. And yeah, so it draws a rectangle over there. Then the position system, why did I close it? Yeah, but it's fine. So the position system basically represent the position inside the canvas or inside the window. So the x and y coordinates and stuff, and yeah, that's what the position system does. If I were to set the position of this to 600 or 6, I don't know, 612, 600, no, 612, 612, and then if I were to run it, it's not going to appear on the screen. Why? Because well, we specified our width of the game to be 600. So that means the screen width is actually 600 pixels wide, and yeah, so is the canvas. Yeah. So basically, our game, all of the coordinates we're going to be using inside our game is going to be smaller than 600 width and height. So now we're going to be drawing ovals. Draw oval, we see it of fill, oval, and then yeah, x, y. Let's just go to the 98, and then y of, let's go with 50, and then the width of the oval should be 15, so it's the height. So we're going to be taking, wait first, 85, 485. So yeah, so basically, how the y coordinates in any computer program works is that the top is 0, and as you keep going down, it keeps increasing. So this will be 0, so this will be y0, this will be y10, this will be y50, y100, y200, all the way down. So it increases by going vertically down. Yeah. And the set field method basically sets the color of whatever you want to draw. I can make this oval more oval. I can make this oval less circular by doing this. As you can see, the oval looks more oblong, and yeah. So basically, if you set the width and the height of the oval to the same value, you're going to make a circle. And also going to be drawing round rectangles. You see that here, round rect, position, I don't know, 300, position 300, with the center width of, let's say, 100, and the height of, I don't know, 15, an arc width, the arc height of a let's go with 30 and 25 at yeah, 23 is good. 23 and 23 and boom. So and then you get a round rectangle, which is basically doesn't have sharp corners as this thing basically has round corners. So yeah. So that's it for today, and yeah. In the next video we're gonna be dealing with simple moving of these things or animating them per se. And we're gonna be dealing with a game loop to make sure that we update everything and then we refresh everything, redraw. So yeah. So guys, peace. Please hit the thumbs up and subscribe. It really helps out my channel.